Despite the last-minute change of opponent from Julio Bomber Guerrero to Elvis De La Rosa, it won't matter to Jermaine Crossbreed Bowen, who will take on the Dominican in the main pro bout on the 10-card fight night on Saturday. Here's Denise Walters.
At 33, Jermaine Crossbreed Bowen, who will enter the ring on a positive note, having won his last bout in September, has 5 wins and 3 losses.
That's why I'm going to put him on the canvas come December the 13th, straight knockout for him. 2 places him can end up, flat on him back or flat on him face, nowhere else.
The 36-year-old Elvis De La Rosa ring record shows 16 wins, 14 coming via knockouts. However, he has 18 losses.
Representando mi país, invito al pueblo dominicano, amante del bolseo, que nos apoye sábado 13 aquí.
He's very happy to be here. He gives thanks to the Jamaican Boxing Board for putting on this event. He'd like to invite everybody to come December 13th to watch a great fight. He promises to do a great fight. He promises to be fighting aggressive.
One of 2 other pro bouts features the unbeaten Josier Ironman Heron against Onueri Moreta of the Dominican Republic in the super welterweight division.
Coming the 13th, just look out for a manufactured beatings to the Dominican Republic fighter.
Sobre mi oponente, creo que le entrena también y que tiene la misma posibilidad que yo para ganar, pero...
He said that he knows that his opponent trains as hard as him, but he's positive about everything that he's been training. He's been training hard with his coach, Oscar Nunez, and that he's 100% positive that he's going to come out with a victory.
While debutant Daniel Hilton will be up against Damar Haslam in a light heavyweight bout.
Come December 13, it's going to be a firehouse in that ring. You know, making my professional debut means a lot to me, knowing that I have put in the work since the age of 8 years old.
I've been fighting for a couple of years now. Started out from the Fight for Peace program, coming up in the mixed martial arts world and taking on a huge sport as boxing as well. And I know that I'm capable.
Meanwhile, the Jamaica Boxing Association will use proceeds from the fight to donate towards Hurricane Melissa recovery efforts. A number of Western-based boxers, some of whom will be on the card, and coaches were affected.
I had to walk 6 miles every other day to get contact with persons outside of Montego Bay, actually. So with that, you know, I am so happy to hear from my boxers in Montego Bay and in Trelawney as well.
Carries a lot of weight. I'm very, very excited and encouraged by the temperament of all the boxers and the excitement and that they have, looking forward to being back in the ring.
The fight night will be held at the Constant Spring Football Field starting at 7. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.